Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to delete emergency alert history on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, go to notifications. In notifications, go to advanced settings. In advanced settings, okay, below you can see the wireless emergency alert. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the wireless emergency alert. And okay guys, here in wireless emergency alert, in alert, okay, you can see the emergency alert history. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the emergency alert history. And here in emergency alert history, there are two emergency alert on my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete the emergency alert history. Okay, to do that, all you have to do is press and hold the emergency alert. And you can see the delete icon on the upper right side on your screen. And to delete this, you'll have to do is tap the delete icon on the upper right side on your screen. And the pop-up below are shown, and you'll have to do is tap the delete button to delete the emergency alert. And okay guys, another one, tap and hold the emergency alert to see the delete icon on the upper right side. Okay, you'll have to do is tap this, and the pop-up below are shown. Okay, tap the delete button to delete the emergency alert. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully delete the emergency alert history on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.